Halloween animal game! We need to sort the animals into bugs, birds, and mammals. We'll put the bugs into this tub, the birds into this one, and the mammals into this one. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a moth. Does it go into the bugs, birds, or mammals tub? Yay! The bugs tub! This one's an owl. Which tub should it go into? Yay! The birds tub! This is a slug. Shall we put it in bugs, birds, or mammals? Yay! Bugs! Ooh, a tarantula! Which tub should we use? Yay! The bugs tub! This is a bat! Is it a bug, bird, or mammal? Yay! It's a mammal! Ooh, we got a spider! Which tub should we use? This is a vampire bat! Is it a bug, bird, or mammal? Yay! It's a mammal! This one's a scorpion! Which tub should we put it in? Yay! The bugs tub! This is a rat! Is it a bug, bird, or mammal? Yay! It's a mammal! Ooh, we got another owl! Can you remember which tub it goes in? Yay! It's a bird! Ooh, a wolf! Is it a bug, bird, or mammal? That's right, it's a mammal! It's a centipede! Will it go in bugs, birds, or mammals? You got it! It goes in the bugs tub! This is a beetle! Are we going for bug, bird, or mammal? Yay! Bug! Wow! A black cat! Which tub should it go in? That's right! It's a mammal! Ooh! Another spider! Can you remember which tub to use? The bug tub! We got a snail this time! Should we go for bug, bird, or mammal? Yay! Bug! Oh, look! Another rat! Is it a bug, bird, or mammal? Yay! Mammal! Wow! Another owl! Can you remember the tub to use? That's right! It's a bird! This one's a millipede! Should we put it with the bugs, birds, or mammals? Yay! Bugs! Ooh! A mouse! Shall we go for bugs, birds, or mammals? That's right, a mouse is a mammal. It's a vulture. Which tub should we put it in? Yay, it's a bird. Wow, a fly. Do you know which tub to use? Yay, bugs. Wow, it's another rat. Which tub do you think we should use? Yeah, you remembered! Rats are mammals! Oh look, another spider! Shall we go for bug, bird, or mammal? Yay, bugs! It's another beetle! Shall we go for bug, bird, or mammal? Yay, bugs! Wow, another wolf! Can you remember if it's a bug, bird, or mammal? You got this! It's a mammal! Yay, another owl! Which tub should we use? You knew it! It's a bird! Oh look! Another black cat! Bug, bird, or mammal? You choose! That's right! It's a mammal! Hey look! Another scorpion! Can you guess which tub to use? Yay! Bugs! Wow! It's a raven! Is it a bug, bird, or mammal? That's right! It's a bird! Ooh! Another spider! Can you remember the tub to use? You got it! It's a spider! Thanks for playing! Have a happy